Hi, I'm Jason with ConnectionOpen, and I'm going to be walking you through the Mac setup of our open beta. Before we begin, we're going to take a look at a few things to make sure your system can run our application. First, we're going to visit speedtest.net to ensure that you have the necessary bandwidth for a ConnectionOpen session. What we're looking for is a download rate of 3 megabits per second or faster, and an upload speed of 1 megabit per second or faster. Next, we're going to navigate to your system preferences to verify that your installation of Java is up to date. If you do not have Java installed, please visit java.com to download and install the latest 64-bit version. Pull up your Java control panel and click Update to verify that your system has the latest 64-bit installation of Java. Please note, 32-bit installations of Java will cause conflict with ConnectionOpen. Please uninstall any 32-bit versions of Java from your system. ConnectionOpen relies on port forwarding for securely connecting to peers during a ConnectionOpen session. If your router is Universal Plug and Play or UPnP compatible, ConnectionOpen will work without any modification to your settings. If not, it's easy to set up but varies by manufacturer and model of your router. You will use a software utility or browser interface to access your port forwarding settings. Enable UDP port forwarding on ports 8095 and 8096. Alternately, if your router shows TCP UDP as an option, use that setting to enable port forwarding on ports 8095 and 8096. Please see our Getting Started for Mac guide on ConnectionOpen.com and your router's user manual or website for more detailed information. Next, we are going to sign up for an account on ConnectionOpen.com. Signing up is free and you can do so from the big green button on our homepage. Choose a username, enter in your first and last name, choose and confirm a password, enter and confirm your email address, choose your home country, and accept our terms and conditions, and we'll sign you right in. Once you've signed up, go ahead and click the download link on the top of our website. We're going to choose the Mac OS X version. Once the download completes, navigate to wherever downloads land on your system and open that zip file. That'll unzip a package file, which you'll double-click to begin installing ConnectionOpen. Apple limits what applications you can and cannot install on your system by default. If you're unable to install ConnectionOpen at this point, pull up System Preferences and click on Security and Privacy and the General tab within that. Click on the lock icon to make changes. Enter your username and password and select the option to allow apps downloaded from anywhere. Click the lock icon again and exit to secure your settings. Follow the on-screen instructions. Choose where on your system you want to install ConnectionOpen, verify that location, and click Install. You may be prompted for a username and password. It'll only take a moment longer. We're now ready to use ConnectionOpen. Let's launch ConnectionOpen. Enter the credentials that you've signed up with on our website and click Sign In. After a brief network test and scan of your system's audio hardware, you'll be presented with our home screen. This may take up to 2 minutes your first time launching ConnectionOpen, but is much faster every time thereafter. Before our first connection, let's configure our audio hardware. Select Settings, Audio, and here you can choose the sample rate and file format of your recordings. We'll choose where on your system you'd like the recordings to be captured, and now click Set Up Audio Devices. Select the device type and the device name of your audio source, and choose the input channel of your source. Uncheck Unused Channels. Select the device type and the device name of your output where you'd like to monitor ConnectionOpen sessions. Save your device settings and save your audio settings. Now you're ready to test our beta. We're going to initiate a session with Randy of ConnectionOpen. First, we'll search for Randy by his username, and I'll hit Enter to display search results. We're going to create a new session, Hello Randy, and we'll send the session invite by clicking Create Session. Once Randy accepts the invite on his end, we'll see him in this window, and we can trigger local recordings across all participants. There's Randy now, and we can see he has very quick latency of only about 30 milliseconds between where I am in Washington, D.C. and where he is in Austin, Texas. What's up, Randy?
Hey, Jason, let's do it.